of root 49 minus root 48. దీనికి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ వాల్యూ మనము ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ 49 ఈక్వల్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ 7 square 49 square and root cancel, that equal 7. Square root 49 equal 7 ki equal. Next square root 48 square root 16 3 is 48, that equal to root 16 into root 3. Root a b equal root a into root b గా మనం రాయొచ్చు. సో root 16 into 3 equal to root 16 into root 3. Root 16 equal to 4, value equal to 4 root 3. These two values substitute the problem. Square root 49 minus root 48 equal to square root 49 7 minus root 48 4 root 3. Next square root 7 4 plus 3 can write as 4 plus 3 4 2 2 4 into root 3. Root 4 equal to can write as 2 square 3 root 3 square. Root 3 square equal 3 equal minus 2 into root 3. A plus b or minus whole square equal to a square plus b square plus or minus 2ab. This is formula. Either plus a minus b, so this is equal to square root a equal to 2, b equal to root 3. Compare 2 minus root 3 whole square. A square b square minus 2ab can write as a minus b whole square equal. Square and root cancel, that equal to 2 minus root 3. Next root 3 equal to 1.732 and so on. So 3 digits 1.732. Subtract 1.732 862 0. So that is equal to 0.268.